Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to take a look at the HD Video Converter Factory Pro. This software packing bunch of features, and I can tell you whether you are a content creator or a regular user, you might find use for them. Let's get started. One of the things which deserve highlight in current times is that this company offers a lifetime license, and you can get it in various promotions for $35, which is in my humble opinion a fair deal. Obtaining software and installation is super easy, just download and click few times next. Now let's start the software and take a look inside. Software environment looks user-friendly and, as you can see, pretty intuitive for operation you are planning to do. We are going to start with feature which is in the focus of software itself, video conversion. As you start navigating through, you will discover that conversion between most popular video formats are present. That includes web formats, high-quality formats and audio conversions. That's not all. You can find here various presets ranging from mobile phones to TVs, which will make, for example, evenings for family photos projection effortless. Do you want that video with calming fire without deformation on your TV? Here you can make it happen. If you will not find preset of your liking here, there is an option for custom one, or you can simply adjust existing. Next feature, video downloader, and boy, this is under banger. Whether you are going to trip where there is no signal coverage and you want to watch that video later offline, this is the way to go about it. You also might be a content creator and you want to download the video which you will use for a project, or you might want to back up your entire channel. There is multiple reasons why this is useful. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or other platforms, it is going to help you download what you need. All you need to do is collect a link to particular video which you want to download. Also, you can do so for multiple videos at once. When video is analyzed, you will get options to select quality or just download audio. Screen recorder is another feature which makes sense to have in one place if you are working with content. Despite a lot of alternatives on the market, it is available here with possibilities which you typically find in screen recording softwares. Select what you want, press rec or record your gameplay with shortcut of your choice. It is simple and it does what it's supposed to do. If you are a meme maker, you will find this next feature particularly useful. You can take any video, any part and make a GIF from it. It is simplifying GIF creation process to few clicks. The last icon represents a set of tools which might be surprising, at least this is how I thought about them. Sure, they are useful, and in same time you would probably choose different, more focused software for such a task. If you need to extract subtitles or make a ringtone, you can do so within this software. For photos to video or split screen videos, I would personally pick editing software. Regardless, HD Video Converter Factory Pro offers to help you with that too. Overall, I rate HD Video Converter features positively. Simple interface, easy to operate, it is going to be software which will definitely find use in my inventory. It is not first useful software from this company which I have reviewed. In the corner you will find video about tool which will help you restore deleted files, and I encourage you to take a look at it. With that, I am going to say goodbye and see you next time.